To use PancakeSwap with Coinbase Wallet, follow these steps. Set up Coinbase Wallet. Download and install the Coinbase Wallet app. Set up your wallet, ensuring you securely back up your recovery phrase. Fund it with cryptocurrency required for transactions on PancakeSwap. You can buy BNB on Coinbase and transfer it to your Coinbase wallet. Connect to PancakeSwap. Open the Coinbase Wallet app and tap the browser icon within the app. In the search bar, type pancakeswap.finance and navigate to the site. Switch to Binance Smart Chain. PancakeSwap operates on BSC. Ensure your Coinbase wallet is connected to the Binance Smart Chain network. You can do this by selecting the network option and choosing BSC. Swap tokens. Once connected, select the Trade tab on PancakeSwap. Choose the tokens you wish to swap. For example, you can exchange BNB for another token like Cake. Confirm the details and approve the transaction in your Coinbase wallet. Pay gas fees. Transactions on BSC require a small amount of BNB as gas fees. Ensure your wallet has sufficient BNB for the swap. Complete the swap. Review and confirm the transaction. The swap tokens will appear in your Coinbase wallet.